What's up, y'all? It's your girl QueensteezTV, and I am back with another video. So this time I got some new products from Morphe that I wanted to try out. So I'm going to be trying a brand new foundation as well as a finishing powder, and I also got a new palette from them. So this is a Hint skin tint from Morphe. I'm going to be using this as my foundation. This is Morphe's Filter Effect. And also, I have one of their brand new palettes, the 35XO Flirt Palette that I'm going to be working with today. If you want to get your eyebrows snatched like how I have mine, I'm going to link the, what am I talking about? I'm going to put the link down in the description box for my eyebrow waxing tutorial. And also make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, share the video, leave me a comment, and let me know what you guys want to see next. So without further ado, I'll see you in the rest of the video. Bye. y'all know, I went off camera to put on my eyeliner and my lashes. I just did a nice soft glam look with purple. So now I'm going to move on to this new foundation. Well, actually it says that it is a skin tint with sheer to medium coverage, and this is the color Hint of Ginger, and this is rich with neutral and golden undertones. I don't know if this is my color. I did a little quiz online and the color it matched me with didn't look like my color, so I picked this color myself. So yeah, I'm gonna see, and this is kind of what it looks like. I don't know, so I'm just gonna see. And also I got the Morphe filter effect, which I got in filter number 12, which is a little darker. So I don't know if this is my color either, but we getting ready to see. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just going to go ahead and finish my makeup. had to change that lippy because that was not giving. So let me take my scarf off. Y'all see I got my knotless braids in, and you can wear them down. What else I like to do, I like to flip mine over and just rock the one side. So I hope that you all enjoyed this look. This is a purple, simple, soft glam, and I use Morphe's brand new, I think the palette is brand new. Don't get me the line. Morphe's 35XO palette, but if I'm not mistaken, this is one of their newer palettes. Shout out to Morgan State University, MS, you know. So if y'all like the video, make sure you drop down and leave me a comment. Make sure you thumbs up the video, share the video, and yeah, that's it. This is our nice soft glam. You can wear this, you know, if you want to work, if you go to the market, and I mean wherever. You just make it do what it do. Very simple. And this is QueensteezTV signing out.